Blink Outdoor Camera Setup. Blink Outdoor 4 is a battery powered camera that provides 1080p HD video, two-way audio, and on demand live view in the Blink mobile app. Outdoor 4 features include improved low light vision, enhanced motion detection, Alexa integration, person detection, and extended range when paired with the Sync Module XR. So, to set it up, first thing that you'll need to do is to download the Blink app. After that, create your account. So before setting up your Outdoor 4, ensure you have a sync module connected to your account. If you don't have a sync module set up yet, use one of these guides. So once your sync module is set up, you can proceed with setting up your Outdoor 4 camera. So from the home screen, tap the plus icon at the upper right corner, and from the add device screen, select wireless camera. Either scan the QR code on the side of the back of the cover of the camera or tap enter serial manually. Learn more about how to remove the back cover, and then once the serial number is recognized, a list of available systems will be displayed. Select the system you want to add the camera to and tap continue. From the adding camera screen, you will get a message saying camera added successfully. Tap done, and if you're adding the camera to a sync module, you will get the network selection screen. So choose your camera's network and then tap Save. Your Outdoor 4 camera will now appear on the home screen. To rename the camera, tap the serial number.